The COVID-19 pandemic that hit the entire world starting in early 2020 had a significant impact on various aspects. One sector that is predicted to be a hope for economic recovery is the construction sector, especially infrastructure development. The rise of infrastructure development is certain that it cannot be separated from its impact on the environment. For this reason, it is necessary to have an idea for the sustainability of infrastructure and environmental development. Infrastructure development must always pay attention to the impact on the environment. This requires new innovations, mostly related to work methods, innovation of construction materials, construction management, and the environment, as well as the latest technology that enables to answer these challenges. The development of sustainable infrastructure and the environment needs to be a common concern for the government, universities, and the community so they can support government programs in accelerating infrastructure for economic recovery. In an effort to realize the sustainability of infrastructure and environmental development, a forum is needed that is able to accommodate researchers from various countries, governments, and various related parties to conduct comprehensive studies, discussions, and collaborations. For this reason, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, IPB University, in collaboration with Ehime University, Udayana University, Halu Oleo University, Padang State University, and Hasanuddin University, will hold a scientific forum that can be a means of exchanging ideas and experiences, as well as establishing research collaborations or the application of research results from the government, experts, and practitioners, which is the second international seminar on civil and environmental engineering, or ISCEE 2021, Sustainability of Infrastructure and Environmental Development.